If y equals a times x to the power n, then dy dx is a times n times x to the n minus 1. Here we're given a function in the form f of x equals, and remember when we differentiate that we write it as f dashed of x equals. So if it's given as f of x, dy dx is written as f dashed x. We need to do a little bit of manipulation to get this in the right form. The square root of x cubed can be written as x to the 3 over 2, and then this as x to the minus 3 over 2. It's now in the right form, and we should know our indices well enough to do this. Drop the minus 3 over 2 in front, and we need to reduce the power of x by 1. So we need to do minus 3 over 2 take away 1, which is minus 3 over 2 take away 2 over 2, which is minus 5 over 2. So the new power is minus 5 over 2. This is now differentiated, but we could manipulate it to get it into this form. The minus 3 would stay on top, the 2 would stay on the bottom, and the x to the minus 5 over 2 can be moved to the bottom as x to the 5 over 2. So we have the minus 3 on the top, the 2 on the bottom. This 2 means we're taking a square root of x to the power 5.